Hey everybody, this is David Montelongo with Sunrise Restoration, and shooting this video for you this morning as a part of our blog, and it should go up on our website here very shortly. I'm at 342 Carnahan. This is a project for our clients, the Montoyas. We're just getting started about 3 weeks before the end of 2018. And so our goal with this project is to get a lot of the demolition work. We're tearing off a lot of the house before we get started rebuilding. So as you can see, today's our first day. Just got the yard sign set, got building plans in hand. Dumpster will show up here shortly, and then right after that tomorrow work gets started. So let me take you through and show you some of the things that we're going to be doing. Right off the bat, this covered carport over here is built pretty out of level and just not really a good piece. It was an afterthought, so that's going to come off right away. That's in the early part, that'll go away. Here on the front steps, just quickly, we're going to even up the front steps, take off this old Saltillo tile, clean up the concrete and paint the front porch, make it nice. Here in this entryway, we've got the old Saltillo tile. We're going to take this up, and you'll see that we've got the old hardwood oak floors that run through the house, and we're going to take those in the areas where we remove flooring. We'll be putting new hardwood floors back to be consistent with the character of the house. So a lot of the front part of this house is going to remain the same, except for some updating, refinishing hardwood floors, some drywall repairs, and painting through the front part of this house. Here in the front half of this house, we've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and so there'll be some minor reconfiguration being done here on one of the bedroom closets to give them a nice big closet and be more spacious. And what we're actually going to do, if you come this way, what we're going to do is we've got the old furnace here. This system is all going to be taken out of here. It's old. The house is going to be completely rebuilt and redone. So we've got a new system that's going to go up in the attic. So this will go away. And then here in this closet, we're going to take a portion of this closet and use it as a nice, big, deep closet for this bedroom over here. And then this bedroom here mostly stays the same except for painting, refinishing the hardwood floors, and general updating in here. But this bathroom will be, this is where we really shine. Bathrooms are kind of our specialty. We really, we knock them out and we make them gorgeous. So this bathroom will be gutted down to the studs. As you can see, this kind of ceiling detail here, it makes the shower or the tub stall feel small. That'll all be taken out. Basically take this down to the studs and redo it, make it beautiful, beautiful new tub and tub tile surround, tile floors, really nice vanities. It'll just be, once it's updated, it will be gorgeous. So that'll be in this area here. Then as we go through, we have a dumpster here. Might have a dumpster here soon. Yep. So as we go through this wall, this is really the connection. A lot of this front area is general, light general remodeling. This wall, however, comes out of here completely. We're going to blow this open, and then everything from this way back is where it really gets fun and interesting. This kitchen is going to be completely remodeled. All these cabinets are going to come out of here. This area will be completely redone. Over here, there's some old, kind of unusable pantry space, and there's actually a half bath that's broken down and falling apart behind this door here. You can get a shot of that. This is actually this old shower is gonna come out of here completely. So this area, once all of this section comes out of here, this is gonna be actually a bonus area outside of the kitchen. And then when you walk this way, this is kind of what starts the master suite. And when you walk out this way, this is also where it really gets interesting. This is basically a 400 square foot addition that was done really poorly. The floor's got a huge bow in it. The roof is sagging. It's just horrible. So we're just going to take this whole thing completely off of here. This addition that was done poorly, it's coming completely off. It'll be gone. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a new addition across the back of the house. And it'll go about this far. and basically we'll reconfigure this last bedroom space over here. So that bedroom and all of this will open up, and this will be the master suite. So we'll have a nice sized bedroom, nice sized bathroom, nice sized walk-in closet, and from the area that you're in now, walking out onto a covered back porch. And so this area is just going to be completely redone. It's going to be beautiful and gorgeous. There's a pool out here. This is also a big part of the work that we're doing. There's a really big, nasty pool back here. And this pool is going to, we're basically going to fill this pool. So we're going to take off all the concrete decking, puncture holes with a big jackhammer in the bottom of the pool, and fill it with caliche and material, compact it so that there's no sinkholes, and then make all of this space out here a really nice yard space. And we're going to gain another probably 10 feet to the back of the house of yard space. So now this bad addition that was done poorly is going to go away. We're going to have a really gorgeous master suite addition. That old swamp of a pool is going to go away, and basically a really nice yard from here back that way. So that's just kind of a general overview of the project, what we're planning on doing. This is in the Mankey Park area off of Broadway in San Antonio. We work heavily in these areas. We work in Alamo Heights on a regular basis. We work in Mankey Park, which that's where this house is, on a regular basis. Terrell Hills, and San Antonio in the 78209 area. So all over this area is kind of our area that we really work in consistently. And so we're excited about this project. It's going to be a major renovation, major overhaul. But we're going to take an old home, close to a 100-year-old home, definitely in an up-and-coming historical conservation area, and really make it nice and new again, and improve the home, and continue to help the neighborhood improve the area. So that's what this project is about. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll be shooting more videos for you guys to see more of what we're doing and how the project progresses as it goes. You guys have a great day. Again, this is David Montelongo.